Hello guys, it's been a while since I have talked to you guys and filmed a video. So for lunch I'm having some Vionna with some spring rolls and fish. It's been a hot minute since I have talked to you guys, and the reason why I skipped a week of posting is because I just didn't know what to post and I just didn't like the content that I filmed. I just didn't like it, so I didn't post it. And I feel like it's really important to like let yourself take a break from content creation, especially if you don't know like what to create. And people can really tell the quality and energy of if you're kind of like forcing yourself to create a video, posting it, people can really tell your vibe through the video. So I decided it's okay, like I can skip 1 week, like 1 week won't hurt my content, my channel as well. So I just decided, you know, just to give myself 1 week break, and then if I have an idea of what I can make, or I feel like I have ideas in my mind of like what content to make, it's more like how I'm going to execute it, because majority of the time I have a lot of things going on in my life and things I need to get done, and necessarily I don't have time to film. It's kind of like not the right setting to film. Kind of done most of my work for my business today. I just need to post a TikTok, and then I'm working on something new. So I'm working on posting digital print listings on Etsy, because I've made some digital prints up that I'm ready to list, and hopefully I can post on KDP as well. Yeah, I'm gonna be trying this brown sugar bubble tea instant mix thing. So I open it up to see what it looks like inside. So it comes with straws, comes with a sachet, and it also comes with a pack as well. So direction. Okay, so using microwave this up. It kind of looks like, I don't know, it doesn't look that great, but I'm gonna add another packet inside. Okay, so I tried it with water and it added some oat milk as well, so I'm going to try this one as well. So I made of my parents with water, and so I've also made one with oat milk as well. They're both definitely very soft and chewy. It's good. It's good, but it doesn't taste like milk tea. It tastes like fake flavoured brown sugar milk tea, if that makes sense. So this is, I literally just did a listing. I made this listing right. And yeah, this is basically my digital print store. Anyways, that is the look of the store that I built. I'm gonna start a new business soon as well. I'm just starting new side hustles, which I'm really excited for. But at the moment I'm just like chillaxing because I'm just waiting for things to come. It's a new day today, so I'm just packing some orders for my new side hustle. Basically I'm selling like rose quartz necklaces via charms. I was like kind of making, like I was wire wrapping some rose quartz charms as well. So I packed these orders today, and I have 2 more orders to pack. Just feel really anxious today. I have to obviously go out and post these orders, and time is of essence. I'm just taking a lot longer to pack these orders. It's raining today as well, so I'm just really anxious today. Just need to also make some content as well for my business. I'm gonna take new photos for Instagram. It is the next day. I just want to show you guys the outside. It is basically so wet. It's like literally so wet. It's so windy and so raining. Oh my god. My mood has been changing constantly because of it. I want to make some tteokbokki, and I have some ingredients here. So my sister, she has her last day of the HSC, of her HSC exams. So I want to make some of her favorite foods, and I asked her what she wants to eat, and I suggested her if she wants to eat tteokbokki, and she's like, yes, I want to eat tteokbokki. So I am going to make her that. Okay, try it.